Hi, Chanel. Hi, Chanel. This is Monica and Ken's baby girl. And that's Garrett's baby boy. Hi, pretty boy. Hey, pretty boy. He's got the G on the ear. That's a G boy. Beautiful boy. 4 weeks old. 4 weeks old. Oh my goodness, what are you guys doing? What are you doing? Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, Chanel. Hi, Chanel. Your mommy's in Sweden. Your mommy's in Sweden. Oh, oh. Hi, Romeo. Hi, pretty boy. Ow, ow, ow. Hi, pretty boy. Hi, pretty boy. What are you doing, Chanel? Hi, Chanel. 4 weeks old. Hi, pretty boy. That's Garrett's little boy. Big yawn. 4 weeks old. What are you doing, Chanel? Hi, Chanel. Hi, Chanel. What are you doing? Good boy. Hi, Romeo. Hi, Romeo. Get Romeo and Chanel. Get him, Chanel. Chanel is on the bottom. Come on, Chanel, get up. Oh, Romeo. Hey, beauty boy. Get him, Chanel. Nice, Gia. Gia. Romeo. Hi, pretty boy. Hi, beauty boy. This is Garrett, Galindo's baby. And this is Monica's baby girl. This is Chanel. Hi, Chanel. Hi, Chanel. Hi, Chanel. Hi, Chanel. Look at Garrett's little baby boy. Get it. Get it, baby. What are you doing? What are you doing? That's Garrett's little baby boy. Hi, Romeo. Hi, Romeo. Hi, Romeo. Hi, Romeo. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hi, Chanel. Look at the boys go. Hi, baby boy.